how to share a Notion template. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Notion template step by step. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to notion.so. If you're not signed in yet, just hit the login button at the top right corner. For the fastest login experience, go ahead and click continue with Google. That way, you can just select your Gmail account and you're in. Once you're logged in, find the page or template that you want to share. This can be anything, maybe a habit tracker, a content calendar, or a project dashboard. Once you're on that page, look toward the top right corner and click the share button. Now here's the important part. To actually share it as a template, you'll need to hit copy link button. This is what lets others copy your layout and use it in their own workspace. And you're good to go. You can now paste this link anywhere, send it in a message, email, tweet it, or even embed it on your website. Anyone who opens the link will be able to view your page, and if you enable the duplicate option, they'll also see a button that says duplicate. That's it. You've just shared your Notion template like a pro. It's a quick process, but super effective if you're building systems, collaborating with teams, or just trying to help others out. If you found this useful, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.